Due to unstable satellite signals, such as SBAS, you might encounter irregular large and small row spacing problems during auto-steering driving operations. Vehicle trimming function can help you, which allows to move the vehicles by small steps. Under auto-steering mode, tap Trim button. You can select the distance to move. Kindly note you can always change to other unit according to your need, and choose the direction to move, to the left or to the right. For example, tap 2 centimeters and tap the left. The offset value changed from 0.02 m to 0.00 m as the vehicle moved 2 centimeters to the left side. The trimming value is cumulative. You can know the direction of overall trimming according to the color, black to the left side and blue to the right side. For example, now 2 centimeters is selected and tap the right button. The trimming value is changed to 0. Tap right side button again. The vehicle will move to right side for 2 centimeters again. The cumulative value is changed to 2 in blue. You can move the vehicles continuously by tap the direction and the distance according to your need. Kindly note that only current guidance line is affected and the cumulative distance should be less than 40% of working width.